oxidation states when ionic compounds are given. Ionic compounds. When ionic compounds are given. Finding the oxidation states when ionic compounds are given. Now the first example is manganese sulfate. In this one you are asked to find out the oxidation state of manganese. You know this is the ionic compound. It is split into manganese ion and sulfate ion. You know sulfate is -2. So automatically this will get how much? +2 oxidation state. So this will get +2 oxidation state. So oxidation state of manganese is +2. Thus this is calculated. The second one is find oxidation state of iron in ferric sulfate. Now for this one you go for back crisscross. If we go back, the charge 3 is acquired by iron and 2 is acquired by this one. So we get what? Iron and this is sulfate. You know, metal is getting positive charge and non-metal is getting negative charge. For iron we expect what? 3 is the oxidation state. For sulfate we expect -2. So what is the oxidation state of iron in this case? In this case oxidation state of iron is +3. Okay, the next one barium hypophosphite. In this one you are asked to calculate oxidation state of phosphorus. Okay, now we learn beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. They have +2 oxidation state. These are known as alkaline earth metals. For alkaline earth metals, the oxidation state is +2. So barium is having +2. You know hydrogen is generally +1. Oxygen is -2. Phosphorus, let us say some X. Now I am expanding. 1 barium plus 2 2s are 4 hydrogens plus 2 phosphorus atoms. 2 2s are 4 oxygen atoms. Totally this is a molecule. For that one, sum of oxidation states is 0. Sum of oxidation states is equal to 0. Now on simplification, 1 into +2 plus 4 into +1 plus 2x plus 4 into -2 equal to 0. +2 plus 4 plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Plus 6 plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. 2x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x equal to +2. Or x we are getting is +2 by 2 means +1. So phosphorus oxidation state in barium hypophosphite is +1. Thus the oxidation states are calculated for ionic compounds. The most asked question in examination is, this is the most asked question in the examination. The next example is Ki3 complex. In this one, we are given to find out oxidation state of iodine. We have to find out oxidation state of iodine. Now, how can we calculate that one? You know, Ki3 is the combination of, it is split into Ki and I2. You know, in Ki, you know, potassium is +1. For what reason? Number 19, nearest inert gas 18. The difference is +1. So, potassium is +1. What about iodine? Iodine will get -1. What about iodine in free state? I think this is in free state. In free state, iodine is given 0 oxidation states. So what are the possible oxidation states for iodine? Possible oxidation states for iodine are, that is -1, 0, 0. These are the possible oxidation states for iodine. Thus, oxidation state of iodine is calculated in the complex potassium triiodide. Potassium triiodide. Similarly, one more important question they frequently asking is oxidation state of chlorine in bleaching powder. In bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. Now bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2. Now it is split into actually calcium plus 2 and it is having Cl minus and OCl minus. Now you remember bleaching powder is the salt of two acids. It is a salt of two acids. It is a salt of HCl acid and it is a salt of HOCl acid. So it came from by a reaction of when calcium hydroxide react with HCl and HOCl at the same time, then it forms calcium chlorohypochlorite. Calcium chlorohypochlorite. Now these are split and calculated. Oxidation states are calculated separately. For chlorine, what is the oxidation state? -1 because this is monoatomic ion. For OCl minus, we take sum of oxidation states. What is the sum of oxidation states? Oxygen plus chlorine is equal to charge. Oxygen is -2, chlorine we have to calculate, charge is -1. X is equal to -1 plus 2. That means we are getting +1 oxidation state. So clearly, oxidation states of chlorine are -1 and +1 in bleaching powder. -1 and +1 in the bleaching powder. Very important question. I repeat once again. Bleaching powder is the salt of two acids. So bleaching powder is known as mixed salt. Ca plus 2 with Cl minus ion and OCl minus ion. So Cl minus is monoatomic ion. For monoatomic ion, oxidation state is equal to charge. Oxidation state of chlorine is charge. For this one, the sum of oxidation states is equal to charge. That is oxygen -2, chlorine we have to calculate. On simplification, we get X equal to +1. Thus, in bleaching powder, the oxidation states of chlorine are -1 and +1. One more important question frequently asking in examination are that is ammonium nitrate. Oxidation states of nitrogen in ammonium nitrate. They are asking oxidation states of nitrogen in ammonium nitrate. Now you remember ammonium salts are ionic in nature. Ammonium nitrate ionize into ammonium plus ions and nitrate minus ions. That's why these are calculated separately. You take ammonium cation. For ammonium cation, sum of oxidation states is equal to charge. Now what are they? 1 nitrogen, 4 hydrogens is equal to charge +1. We have to calculate nitrogen. Let us say X. X plus 4 into hydrogen is generally +1. X plus 4 equal to +1 implies X is equal to +1 minus 4 means -3 we are getting here. Here we are getting -3. Similarly, in NO3 minus, nitrogen plus 3 oxygen equal to charge. So nitrogen is taken as some X plus 3 into -2 equal to -1. X minus 6 equal to -1. X is equal to -1 plus 6 means +5. Thus, nitrogen has two oxidation states in this compound. What are they? One is calculated as, for this one, nitrogen is calculated as -3. For this one, nitrogen is calculated as +5. Thus, the oxidation states of ionic compounds are calculated. Similarly, we can calculate oxidation states of nitrogen in ammonium nitride. This is also the same manner. This is the last one in ionic compounds. Ammonium nitrite. The previous one is higher in oxygen, we say nitrate. Lower in oxygen, nitrite. Nitrite. Ammonium nitrite. Ammonium nitrite. Ammonium nitrite. Again, we split this one into two ions. One is ammonium cation, another one is nitrite ion. Now we calculate the oxidation state separately. NH4 plus. You learned how to calculate this one. Nitrogen plus 4 hydrogens is equal to charge. Nitrogen X plus 4 into plus 1 equal to plus 1. X plus 4 equal to plus 1. So X we are getting plus 1 minus 4 means minus 3. So nitrogen oxidation state is minus 3. Similarly in NO2 minus ion, sum of oxidation states is equal to charge. This is the charge. X plus 2 into minus 2 equal to minus 1. X minus 4 equal to minus 1. X equal to minus 1 plus 4 means plus 3. Thus it is having two oxidation states. So these are the questions asking with respect to ionic compounds.